How's it cracking? I'm out here in the woods somewhere. I've got my handy dandy trusty rusty camera. I thought that today I'd maybe come out here, find some insects and take some pictures. So here we go. It's real humid out here today. It's definitely gonna storm soon. I don't know if you can hear the thunder, but I don't know. I've already had a bunch of ticks on me and I just got out here, but I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. I've been practicing on this little guy right here. There's actually 2 spiders in this web, but I'm getting my test shots on this guy to get the lighting right. It's getting closer. I can see at least 4 different spiders in this bush here. So I'm gonna stop here for a second and see how many different insects I can find in this bush. And I'm gonna take pictures of all of the ones I can find. And I'll just put them right here in the video. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this jumping spider, but there's a big one over here. Got his ass. It's not a good picture, but I got it. This guy right here has been a real good subject. Been sitting here for a break. I've been standing at this one bush for like maybe 15, 30 minutes. It's a big difference, but I don't know how long I've been here for. I got a couple of good pictures of a couple of different things. That just shows you how much is in one spot if you really stop to look. I finally found a Huntsman spider. I've been looking for one of these bastards the whole time. I don't know what it is about this straight right here, but it's got some good entomology. There's a praying mantis over there. There's a squash bug over here somewhere. There he is. And then I saw some big ass mosquito thing over here. I don't know what it was. All right, I've gotten a lot of good pictures out here today. I've been out here for like, I'm sorry, I'm still looking around trying to find stuff. I've been out here for like an hour and a half to 2 hours, and I've got quite a good bit of pictures to show you. I'll probably put some at the beginning of the video, and I'm gonna put the rest at the end, the stuff that I didn't record me actually taking pictures of. I used this as a flash diffuser because I don't have one. And it worked pretty well. I'm pretty happy with how some of these pictures came out. I took a few without it just to show like a control. And you can go back and look at my first photography video and see what they look like without a flash diffuser. But weird. Definitely didn't come this way. All right, well, thank you for watching this video. I'm about to get out of here. It's pretty freaking hot, pretty humid. I'll catch you in the next video, which will probably be me making an aquatic ecosphere. I was gonna do that today, but I keep getting distracted. I didn't want to. So I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.